Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Ryan, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create this really cool collapsible text effect here in Wix without code. Let's go ahead and get started. So a new element just got added to Wix recently, and all we have to do to access it is come over to the add element. We can come over to text. And if you come over to paragraphs, underneath paragraphs, you'll see something called collapsible text. So if we just drag this out onto the website, and maybe we can resize it however we want, we can go ahead and change the text here in this little box. So what I'm gonna do is paste in some text just like that. And we can even change where the text goes. So we can actually say expand, which will look like this. Or let's say this is like an about section and you want to link it and you want to link people to the about page. You can easily just say link and send them to a different page or even a different website if you want to. Now I think expand looks a little bit better. Then if we come over to layout, here we'll have a couple different options here as well. So up at the top, we'll see the default view. So we can have it set to show all or read more. We can even change the number of lines that appear. So maybe we want 4 lines to appear. We can do that. Maybe we can do 5 lines if we want to. We can align the button to the left, right, or middle. Spacing between the button, so we can change this as well. And we can even go into the design of this as well. And we can actually change the font color for this text right here. And we have the normal designs that we can apply to text like fonts, colors, bold, line spacing, character spacing. But if we select this little drop down, we can even affect the button here for read more. So we can affect it on the regular state, which is this right now. We can affect it on hover when someone's about to click it. And we can even affect the disabled one as well if we wanted to. But one really cool feature that I like about this is we can actually put it inside of repeaters just like this. And we can even connect it to our databases. So if I click on this, you'll see that it's connected to the services dataset and it's connected to the service description. So if I just go ahead and press preview, here is what it's going to look like on desktop. And I think that looks really, really cool. Now, one thing I will note, if you do plan to use this in a repeater, these elements, this collapsible text box, do not connect to rich content. So if you have a field in your database that is rich content and you want to use this collapsible text box, then you will need to convert that rich text to a normal text element in the database. For example, if I open this up and I look at the service description and press edit, it's a field type of text. It cannot be rich content or rich text. It has to be the normal text element. But that's basically gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you all did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel for more Wix and EditorX content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.